Up once again, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Welcome to this community, and in today's video tutorial guide I'll be showing you how you can create this ripple effect, or you can also call it nylon effect on pixel with your smartphone. Actually, it's not pixel app, I'm sorry for that. So today's video tutorial guide will be on how you can create this. Can you see this kind of line stuff like this on the screen? So this is what I'll be showing you how you can create. And to create this, the app we'll be using is called PicsArt. So let me just put on my data over here, my data connection. So to use this effect on PicsArt, to put on, you need to have a data connection. So I'll go over to PicsArt over here and just wait for it to load, and I'll get right into this video tutorial guide. Okay, so this is the home page of the PicsArt. So to get to use kindly go over to this plus icon down here. When you click on it, it will take you to your gallery, and you go there to select your design or picture that you want to use the effect on. So I just wait for it to load in my pictures. I think it's kind of slow in my data connection, the network, or one of my designs. And when you are done like importing the design you want to use the effect on, so kindly go over, just scroll to the left hand side and search and look for the mask, this mask option. When you click on this mask option, it's going to bring other options that you can work with. So when it brought all the options, just go over to this ripple effect, click on this ripple over here. So when you bring in the ripple effect, you have a lot of varieties to use, and those you can try for free and for the premium version. So like, let me just go with this first one to emphasize it. When you click on one, so you still have the opportunity to work on the strength. So when you click that one, the one you selected, and you can just work with how you want the effect to be strong on your design. So can you see, just do something with the slider until like it comes to your satisfaction. So with this, you can even change the direction or sides of what you want to work with. So this is basically how you can create this effect with your smartphone. So when you are done with it, just click on the check mark icon up here, and when you click on it, it's going to just finalize it. And when you are done, save to gallery, and you have your design saved to your mobile phone. So this is basically how you can do this with your smartphone. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and one more thing, you need to go through our channel to get more valuable videos like this. There are a lot of valuable videos on our channel. Kindly go through it and check out the videos. And if you have any tutorial you want us to work on, kindly put in the comment section and just type in what you want. And if you find this video helpful, kindly go to the comment section and comment you love it, and so it can help us to create more valuable tips. So once again, welcome to Unique Studios. See you in the next video.